Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade from your old, ugly starter button that's black and mine has this peeling material around it to this much better looking red starter button that you can buy online. I'll show you guys how to remove the original button and then we'll show you how to put the red one in. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is pop out the interior trim using one of your trim removal tools and get the trim out that the button is in. Okay, so now we have this little gap here, and just make the gap big enough to stick your fingers in and push out that button. I'm just trying to get a good camera angle and pop it out. There's a plug over there, you're gonna want to unclip that.
Like the tabs on the plugs.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, and the button popped out. All right.
Got it.
So now we have our old starter button.
Now you got a wireless starting
Bluetooth.
Yeah.
All right, so now we'll go show you how to install the red starter button in your old Surround. Okay, so once you got the button out of your car, you're gonna fumble around with these tiny little clips. I don't know if you can see them, these little tabs. You need to use a flathead screwdriver. I'll put a clip in right now. It sucks, it took us a while. And then the aluminum surround will come off and you'll have the bare button. And then you want to take your red button that you got from wherever. We got ours from China, $3. Coronavirus edition. Now there's a couple clips that we need to use this little baby screwdriver that they supplied. To just, here if you can get that, pop them up like that. I don't know how many there are, I think there's 4. Oh, okay, whole button came off there. And it just comes off like that. And you'll see there's a, right here, there's the kind of smiley face. That is where the engine text is gonna line up. So you just press your new button into place, make sure that the clips all line up, and then just kind of press it. Oh, that's not good. You don't want that to happen. Hopefully it fits because this is Chinese garbage. Give it a couple presses here. Really force it in. Oh shit. I might have broke it just now. Oh no. As we can see, the clips are not entirely holding on. So this Chinese button, I do not recommend. Do not go on eBay and buy the $3 Chinese button. Get one from Colorado N5X. Shout out to Brian. I'll link it in the description. These eBay buttons are not what you want because they don't hold on. We're gonna have to glue it, so we'll be back shortly. All right, so here we have the crazy glue. Show it to the camera real quick. Wonderful. So we're gonna have to use some of this and put it on the, I guess the center of the button, if it focuses, and then we're gonna put the Chinese cover on, and it should look good. All right, so we do that, and then a little dot here, put a little bit on the button itself. All right, I'll leave you here for an hour. Peace. All right, so now we've got our button and we have our aluminum surround. We did the gluing, and all we got to do now is just pop the surround back in. It should just go into place, hopefully, with a little bit of force like that. And now you have your red starter button. That looks actually pretty good. So here's a quick side-by-side of my old start button versus my new starter button. I got the pre-facelift aluminum or like chrome look surround because I think it looks cleaner. And obviously I have the red starter button. And then here's the old one with the peeling material, which I didn't like. But yeah, the Chinese fit is not ideal. So know that. Now we'll put it back in the car. All right, so once you have the button set up, you're just gonna throw it in. It should just pop back into place with a little bit of force. Yeah, make sure to connect the wire before you push it all the way in. Okay, it's good. And there you have it. Let's actually quickly test it before we pop it back in.
Yeah,
so here. All right, cool. So the button works and we're good to go. Now all you want to do is just pop back the interior trim piece with a little bit of force and give it the old elbow grease. And there you have it. Now in your interior you have your nice red starter button. So if you like this video, subscribe, and if you're ready to see the red interior swap, that will be coming out very soon. Thanks for watching.